19th of July, over here at Richmond, Indiana, the Model T Museum. They've got like 200 Model Ts come in from all over the United States. And they just rode in from Hamilton, Ohio. And they're still coming in, but a lot of them's parked right here. There's one coming down the road.
See on your screen? I can't see that.
They came here to the Model T Museum. They're feeding them, and they're going to turn around and do a couple other things before they head back to Hamilton. All kinds of them. They're not all here yet, but there's supposed to be 200 of them by the time they all get here. There's some more on the road coming in. I think this is kind of an unusual one down here. Well, I've been here about 2 hours waiting them all to come in, but they're still coming in. I think I'll go ahead and head home. Last chance you ever see this many Model Ts together, though. They just keep coming in a little at a time. Right here in front of the museum in Richmond, Indiana. Brother poured a little concrete here. He retired last year from concrete, but he's building him a barn to store stuff in anyway. He just poured a big footer. I think it was 24 yards of concrete. Two-fold trucks and 4 yards. And it was hot out. July, leaving Ohio, going over to West Virginia, heading towards Fayetteville, West Virginia on the motorcycle with my wife and Tony I met from high school at the joint vocational school, and his wife Karen. We'll be going 3 days on a motorcycle trip and whitewater rafting for a day. So here's what happened. We was going 3 days. This is Tony, Vicky, and Karen. This is me, Vicky, and Karen, and then the four of us. Tony, there's Vicky. He's tightening the life jackets. This is going to be the raft. There's Karen. And 2 other people on our boat that we just met. We stopped for dinner about 1 o'clock. Vicky don't like to be on camera. There's Tony. Hope the water spouts but keeps running after you let go of the thing. But kind of a little beach here, and I don't know. I think it's probably about 42 people roughly in our group.
rock, which the person is standing on. Keep your feet out in front of you. The water kind of takes you right up to it. You want to try to go to the left side of the second rock, so right of the first, left of the second. If you do end up going right of the second, you're okay. You're not in any danger. Just not as fun. Who would like to swim? I knew that.
Here's the New River Gorge Bridge. The yellow boat's where I'm supposed to be, but we're getting towards the end. Everybody jumped out. I'm in the water floating with everybody else. You can see me or not. Pretty rough there. We was at the New River Gorge, and they call that the lower part. The upper part's in September, where you have to wear wetsuits, and it's a little rougher. We'd like to do that sometime. Okay, we've been whitewater rafting near Fayetteville, West Virginia. We just made it home Sunday the 25th, about
24th.
Sunday the 24th, like I said, about 6 o'clock. Just ran into a little sprinkle, but nothing to hold us up. 700 and how many miles? 59 miles?
Something like that.
In 3 days, but one day we didn't ride much. We was on the river. But we drove the white bike this time. And if you can see it. And went with Tony and Karen. Alrighty. We'll let you know when we do the next adventure. It's been in the 90s. We got burned up. I hope you enjoyed it. The end.